You don't need much to be able to decorate your space. All you need are some basic craft supplies and some creativity. Hi there, welcome to Art Studio by
Let's
Let's
learn how to make this charming wall plate for a kitchen decor.
Let's start by sanding this plate with a sandpaper so that the paint sticks to it better. I am then going to go in with a light spreads of this spray paint before another coat of acrylic paint. If you follow this method, your paint will never chip off. Let the paint dry completely. Now take any printed paper of your choice. I recommend taking a print from a laserjet printer. Use any decoupage glue that you have to stick the paper to the plate. Spread the glue evenly with the help of a flat brush. I'm going to be using some chalk paints that I have to blend everything together. I'm using this teal shade to match the color in the paper. Take your time in blending everything so that there are no harsh lines that are visible. Once everything dries, add a top coat of glue. I am now adding some spatters or splashes, which will give this plate so much more character. Look how gorgeous it looks. I am now adding some gold acrylic paint on the edges. I will now be using a yellow 3D cone liner to add in some more details. I am so happy with the way this turned out. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. If you enjoyed watching this, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.